What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house. It's your girl Denise, and we're here for open a smoothie blender today. It have a funny name. I think imurz. If me not pronounce it right, yes, we have to butcher it sometime. So yes, we are gonna open this and see what is inside. And me not gonna test it today, but I'm going to open it and see what is inside. So me decide say me gonna open it with you guys. So let's see what's inside the box. All right, so let us see what is inside this box. First and foremost, we have the booklet. The booklet is right here. Give you all the information on what you need about this blender. And we have some important message here as well. And what is this? I see 3 rubber ring. I'm not quite sure what is these yet, but we will figure it out later. Wow, so we have some buckles here, and it have measuring on the side. Okay, and this is another one. So it have 2 measuring buckle, and them, you know, them long, them quite all right. And what's this? Okay, and this is the machine, right? This is how the machine looks, but let's see what is here. How do we get out this thing? Okay, so the box is empty, and I think this is a part of it. Okay, so these rubber rings, it go here because one of them is there, and it have these very sharp little blades. That means this can cut the ice and everything. So I don't think I should have another ring. Okay, I think these are just spares. Okay, because one is already there. And I also think that if we remove the top and put this here, okay, got it. So this is it, guys. You can use any one of these bottles to do your blending. So we're gonna try it on this bottle as well. Okay, so it can use on both bottles, so this is very handy. This is very good. So let's move away the plastic. Now we want to see the actual machine, what it looks like. And this is not looking bad so far. Wow, this is nice, and it says the name here. And this is a button, I think the on and off button. Let's move that. And this is some instruction on warnings and all that. This is the plug, and we're gonna pull the wire off, this little wire here. Okay, so the plug, yeah, the plug is quite long, and it have the protector that comes on it, so it's not bad and it's good looking. So I'm gonna try this one. This is a arrow here to show you the lock, so when it enter, it's supposed to lock here. So I think it's this way. No, yes, that way. Wow, it's quite good, guys. I like it. It's a nice smoothie blender, and this is not ads I'm doing for someone. I'm just showing you my smoothie blender. I purchased it from Amazon yesterday, and it arrived today, and I like it. I will not be testing it today. And also, let us put this aside. I also buy some cute little straws, very cute little straws, and these are the transparent straw, the reusable straw. So I'm going to open it and show you what it look like. These straw almost come like glass. You can hear how it sounds. It's like glass. So this is it, guys. These are the transparent. These are the transparent straws, and it's like glass. And I think it's 12 of them. $11 of them, and it also come with these cleaner, so you can wash. You can just do it like this and you can wash, because they are reusable. Okay, so all of these is on Amazon, and I'm going to put the link for these in the description box. If you want to try it out, you can go there and try it out. So these are the straight ones, and then you have also the bendy ones, right? Also has the small brush, so you can also wash these as well. And it's quite convenient because it is reusable. Okay, guys, so you can check these out on Amazon. Transparent straw, drinking straw. So guys, I do hope you like this and you will also try them out for yourself, and I hope you will also try the smoothie blender. It's quite reasonable. So thank you guys for watching. I do hope you will try these products, and I'll see you in my next video.